Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily fix your error. So if your iPhone icons shrunk after you update to iOS 14, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to try just tap on power and just wait until you will see slide to power off. So just slide to power off. Wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So this is the first thing you need to check. Another thing you need to check is just keep holding low volume and power button until you will see here Apple logo. So just keep holding these two buttons. So when you will see Apple logo, just release 2 fingers from these two buttons. It means that you successfully made force restart. So this is the first thing you need to check. And also, that I hope that one of these two methods will help you. So just try it and have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.